Hi, this is Shaziya. I'm from Kadri. I completed my BTech in Tirupati, Shaziya Engineering College. After my degree, I was very confused what type of course I should do. I am just browsing the websites and I'm browsing the institutes what I need to go further. So I found myTectra is one of the best institute. So I just came here and talked to the manager and what type of course I have to take. So he suggested me Python, machine learning and artificial intelligence. He is very genuine and he told me that all the type of syllabus and my experience on that Python machine learning, it's very good. Actually, I was under Mohan sir. He is very good trainer. He helped me a lot. Firstly, I was very scared for that how to do that course and all. But he is very cool person and he suggested me a lot. myTectra also have helped me a lot on placements also. Firstly, I was very confused about the placements on AI. They are helping me a lot. Now also they are helping me. Thank you for myTectra.